It's day 4 of the Bodine Night Train 2 testing in Lake Placid, New York. Off to the Olympic Sports Complex, and Jeff Bodine was ready.
The shakedown runs are over. It's time to see what Night Train 2 can do. Sort of like testing at Daytona. We shake it down a little bit, then we go wide open and see how fast it'll go. Today is the day we see how fast Night Train 2 is.
And Bob Cuneo and Jim Garday, they also have a big challenge today.
This is a pretty big change here that we're doing today. I believe it's going to have a totally different feel to the athletes. I don't believe we went too far, but experiment is always an experiment.
Now, Steve Holcomb's got the experience, and I have the confidence in him that we'll know exactly if the change helped or not.
And driver Steve Holcomb, he's ready for the new change.
The agreements that we have with Bob Cuneo is he makes changes but doesn't tell me, keeps me objective and out of the loop of what's happening. If I kind of go into the run knowing the changes and knowing what it's going to feel like, it kind of takes away from that sensation of like, oh my gosh, this is different. And I'll be able to come back and give him feedback at what I felt, and he'll understand what he did and how it made the sled move. And I think it's a good partnership.
Now the Night Train crew was ready for its 5th test of the Night Train 2. And down the track, they were fast. Bob Cuneo, Jim Garday looked on, posted a time of 54.89.
That splits.
Pretty speedy.
Pretty speedy was right, and Steve Holcomb, he talked about the conditions.
The track's in great condition. I think they did it work because they're having a little race today. But I knew it was going to be faster, but I think it was faster than I was expecting. We dropped 4/10 from yesterday, which I think is good. We had the identical push time, so it's good.
The Night Train team didn't waste any time. Right back for their 2nd run of the day. They weren't as fast as the first run, but Holcomb still feels pretty good.
Yeah, I was thinking too much. Trying to pay attention to what's going on, so it wasn't quite as clean of a run, but I like it. I mean, it was really, it definitely felt better going down the track, so I like it so far.
So another part of the testing is for the team and the sled and the crew to weigh in, and they weighed in perfectly. Another positive part of the test. So after 6 times down the track over 3 days for the Night Train 2, Cuneo is still trying to find more speed.
And then if we can add a little weight, should be faster yet. And we still aren't race prepped.
No.
And now they asked Steve Holcomb if his team can have a faster push tomorrow.
Tomorrow, would you guys be able to step up the push just a little bit for the first run and
Sure.
make teens or something just to?
Teens will be tough. I mean, the World Cup rate training, we went 20, so teens is a pretty intense push, and we've been kind of off for a month. So,
Well,
I'm not sure what kind of shape these guys are in, but we can step it up. I mean,
Step it up a little,
Okay.
and we'd be happy, and then we all go home with a smile.
cool.
So one more day of testing for the Night Train 2. They want to go a little faster on the final runs tomorrow.